comparative theology about how to have solution for some teaching of the heretics everywhere. And they should also know the history of the church and the story of the saints, not only the Bible.
That would be great to do because actually we need that. But to keep them just going, a man who is already 14 years of age or a girl, and just tell him the same old story of Lazarus and those again. And
No. We have now a new curriculum. We cannot repeat all the stories. They will not come to to Sunday school. But they should have, for example, in high school, if you give them only stories from the Bible, and they want to know how to use liberty, how to use freedom, what is the meaning of power, of strength, what is meant by sin. They want to know something to explain many problems in their life. If I give them only stories, and they have problems. So we should teach them to read the Bible and to have Bible study, and in addition to this, they should learn dogmatic lessons, theological lessons, the history of the church, the story of the saints, and some rituals also about the rites of the church. They should know everything. We cannot let the curriculum only concentrated on the Bible. But while we teach theology, we give stories from the Bible.
The way they are taught in school is, you prepare this lesson. So the best way we should say, the Sunday school teacher will say, okay, study Mark chapter so, or find out about chastity, or find out about love, or anything, any subject, and we'll discuss it. Then the children will share. But to keep listening to a preacher or a teacher, Sunday school teacher, all the time without discussion, it's obsolete, it's useless, and it's hurting our children more than it's useless.
And this research may be for all the students?
Here we don't go to universities here or to schools just for a teacher to dictate what he wants. They go there, the teacher says, you read this, and it's all discussion. This happens in the high school, in the colleges, in the medical school where I teach, everywhere. We don't just keep lecturing because it's obsolete. We let them all, everyone gather a piece of information about the subject. One will go to the library, then they will have research. One go to church books, one go to any book. One goes to Wa'azat Sayyidina, one goes all over a video or anything, and prepare the subject. And 5 of them, or 4 of them, for that section, others for that section. Then that's where they come and share. But when they come and find the school Sunday school teacher who's half English, half Arabic, they leave the Sunday school, and there are hundreds of examples of our honest to ourselves, it is useless. We should be changed.
All right, we may do this now.
اغلب الاوقات يا سيدنا بنبقى الولاد الكبار بنعمل زي اوبن ديسكشن اللي هي الفورس ويك اوف ذا مانث، بنعمل اوبن ديسكشن وهي الموضوعات اللي هم اللي عايزين يتكلموا فيها احنا بنكلمهم عليها. فنص الكلاسز ان هم بيعملوا اوبن ديسكشن اباوت الموضوعات اللي الولاد عايزينها.
بس افرض الاولاد مش عايزين معلومات غير على الدراجز والسكس واللازم منه، هنحصرهم في دي؟
At one time I want to talk to them about this subject. They don't like it. Nobody likes this subject anymore. They know about it very well. Sex education, others used to.
But they know, perhaps they know about it in a wrong way.
If you give them some subject and touch the thing in a smooth fashion, gradually we'll let them love it, gradually we'll let them learn in the right way, because we're still teaching them the way I was taught when I was in the Bidayah. And this is not the way America teaches their children.
At any rate, before printing the curriculum, we will gather all the leaders of Sunday schools and let you know the curriculum, and we receive all your remarks or your comments on the curriculum before printing it. ده الكلام المظبوط. Within some months. Within some months.
I think a very important thing that a lot of servants need, and this is very basic, and we can build upon this, is love towards the children. Like, not only like some servants, that go to Sunday school to teach their lesson or Bible study. Some, do it in a way that they're obligated to do it. A very necessary thing is that they do it, with happiness and with joy for the service of God. And they should have the spirit of, of Jesus in their hearts, the spirit of attraction, that they attract the children, and the spirit of love. It's very sorry, it's a very sad situation where some youth, where some servants, this attracts the children of the church. And like some youth have, problems, whether at home or personal problems, and some servants distract them from the church, say, do you really belong here? Or, they're very rough with them, or, they even ask them to leave on certain occasions. Is this right, Sid?
No, it's not right, of course. We want the teacher not only to be a teacher, but to be an example of spirituality. The teacher should be spiritual, and the spiritual teacher should be gentle in treating the children, even the youth. He should be a very gentle person. How can we have a teacher who is very strict and rough in his relation? We can't accept it. We should choose teachers who are very spiritual and good in treating others and know how to relate to others in a very gentle way. Because gentleness is one of the fruits of the Spirit. If you read the fruit of the Spirit in Galatians 5:23, you may find gentleness as one of them. إذا كان حاضر مدرسين بتوعكم متابعين الميعاد خلاص بتاع الساعة 9 خلاص فهمت؟ ها؟
كلهم حتى سن الشباب محتاجين كل الكورس يبقى اوديو فيجوال. ما حدش بيقرا فيهم كتب وما حدش على استعداد يقرا كتب. لو اوديو فيجوال او سينماتوجرافي او في التلفزيون او في حاجه that's what can attract them. I think that's my personal observation with my own children. They are not going to read books no matter what. They don't have the time. They would be attracted to the television set where they can put the video in the VCR and watch starting from the dogma of comparative theology to anything else. And number one is the Catholic language. They have to know Catholic language because in the church, when they attend the church, they know English, they don't know Catholic, they get bored. Simple as this. Thank you.
طب عشان عندنا ميعاد مع بعض الصحفيين والناس بتوع التلفزيون. نعم. طيب. نرجو في خروجكم تخرجوا بطريقة هادئة بدون شوشرة. زي ما قلت لكم الناس الجيران دول بينتهزوا أي فرصة عشان يشتكونا للبوليس. لكن لما تروحوا تدوروا على العربيات بتاعتكم ويجي واحد يقول يا سمير يا فلانة جبتوا الشنطة معاكم نسيتوا وكل واحد يقول كلمتين زي دول تبقى shouting و disturbance وتبقى مش لطيفة. Try to live in a very quiet way without shouting without disturbance. بس هنصلي في الأول. نعم.
بس في ناس ما عندهمش أماكن ننبه عليهم. لو حد نازل وعنده أماكن فاضية ادينا خبر عشان في ناس ما معهمش عربيات لو سمحتوا.
فين؟
موريتيوس كان سلمينا وبنشكر ايضا الانبا صابر.
بس تريحوه. نعم. طيب. باسم الاب والابن والروح القدس الاله الواحد امين. أخيرا يا رب اجعلنا مستحقين نقول بشكر يا أبانا الذي في السماوات يتقدس اسمك تكن مشيئتك كما في السماء كذلك واغفر لنا ذنوبنا كما نغفر نحن أيضا للمذنبين إلينا ولا تدخلنا في تجربة لكن نجينا من الشرير. May the love of God the Father, the grace of His only begotten Son, and the communion of the Holy Spirit be with all of you. Depart in peace. May the peace of God be with you.